Alrighty, hello everybody. So welcome to this month's vlog. I don't have that much to say process-wise for this because it feels like it was a lot of like random wrap-up mostly. And also me starting to toy around with some of the visual effects. As you can see, I tried to do like an image warp thing, but honestly it was too freaking complicated for the time I had. And it was easier to just scale things instead. So yeah, here you'll actually see I'm doing some editing for the midterm for this semester. Last ever midterm for Godslayer I'll have to do of all the footage. So I was also doing like some of the visual effects that felt more essential to get done. So yeah, that's what that was. Along with me trying to fiddle around with the bandolier. But, as y'all can probably tell, we're slowly nearing the end of Godslayer, so yeah, I talked about it in the Big Old Update Patreon post, which by the way, if you haven't read that, you should totally go do that. It's free to everybody, so check that out. You'll get to know what my plans are for wrapping up Godslayer, and after graduation, and possibly the other projects I'll be getting back to. So yeah, I'm definitely planning on making stickers for all the patrons because I'm gonna sell some at the senior show for Godslayer stuff for school. Yeah, and all the patrons will get stickers. I have some chibi designs of Ace and Death that I showed off, so there'll be that. I also definitely want to do some sort of like celebratory stream in May where I'll like air the film for the first time. If I'm able to. There might be some like film festivals that will not like let public viewings happen or have it like posted online somewhere. So I'm not sure, but that tends to be like the more illustrious ones and like they cost money to apply to and shit. So not exactly student level. But yeah. Oh god, I finally got Ace's boots weight painted in a way that works, so that's really nice. And they just work so much better now. So yeah. That's like all the fun important stuff for Godslayer. I also want to mention like important Patreon news. Oh my goodness, we finally hit $100 a month. That's so cool. Thank you all for so much support. It's so cool that people like supporting me making art stuff and making stuff for them. So it's just, it's nice to see, and I want to be able to give back. I know like $100 a month isn't enough to live on nowadays, but I still want to give back because like I'm still making like an amount of money on like my art. So my stretch goal for Patreon was that once I hit $100 a month, I would start donating 20% of what I earn to charity each month, and patrons would get to vote. For this month, we basically just talked it out in the Discord server, and pretty much everyone unanimously agreed to donate to a charity that's helping out in Ukraine this month. So this month, 20% of what I get on Patreon will be going to Mercy Corps. So that's super cool. I'll leave a link to them in the description if you want to donate yourself, if you're able to, or just want to share it. I picked them specifically because they're helping out with like all the humanitarian issues, and that's something that like humanitarian stuff just, it feels like it's the place to help, because if I was in that situation, that would be the stuff helping me, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. So thank you so much to Nyx, our new patron, our new Mythic Spark, yay, for pledging, and also thank you to Bughouse, who just raised your pledge by a couple bucks so that we'd hit the goal. That's so cool, because like mathematically we should have hit it, but after like Patreon fees and taxes and stuff, it's like we were like $2 short, so That was so cool, Bughouse, hitting that stretch goal. You're awesome. Yeah. I don't know if I have like other stuff to ramble about for this, so I'm gonna shut up and I'll meet you back at the end of the video. Enjoy this production vlog for Godslayer. Yeah! Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. That's super rad of you. Not everyone does that. That's seriously pretty dang sick. If you have it in you to fork over some extra engagement, I always appreciate, them tasty like follows, subscribes, that sort of thing. Wait, follow and subscribe are the same thing. Shiz! Okay. Well, anyway, or you could be really ambitious and leave a comment. Let me know if I goofed something up or if you have a question. I would be more than freaking happy to answer it. So yeah. Anyway, thank you so much to my patrons who make this possible. Y'all give me a consistent income and support my projects, so thank you to my pursuers Big Print, Bonnie Schnabel, Danny Jones, and Holly King, my Voidwalkers, Lisa Bambachi and Scarlett Brooks, my Nightmare Eater, David Umiet, and my Mythic Sparks, Dakota, 𝐾𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐿, Sadie Hartman, and Nyx. Welcome, Nyx! Yay! It's so cool to have you along! So, thank y'all again. Also, I want to let y'all know that there is one more slot for Mythic Sparks, so if you want to get a commission from me, like every 3 months and get redlining and feedback on your art, you got 1 slot left as of recording to go grab that if you want to. So yeah, thank you again, everybody. I don't think I have anything else. You could hit some links down in the description to follow or subscribe on other platforms. If you have extra money and want to commission me or support me on Patreon, that's always greatly appreciated, but you're not obligated to. Or you could hang out while I'm streaming on Twitch. Yeah, you could come chat. Right now I'm currently streaming Wednesdays, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. EST. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!